Okay, y'all, I finished my meal prep for this is gonna be for me and my husband, y'all, believe it or not. He's on the bandwagon. Of course he's not eating salad, so that's for me. I just fixed 2 days worth. Because Mondays I'm doing the meatless Mondays, and so I'm gonna just take one salad for Monday, and then I'm gonna take smoothie, and I'll probably do a protein shake or something like that. But I'm not gonna eat any meat on Mondays for the month of January. However, so for this week's meal prep, I got salads. I have tilapia and asparagus, and I have these chicken breasts, which I just put lemon pepper on, and like lemon juice, and I think I put like a little bit of orange juice, like, from the orange. And then I have, of course, some mixed vegetables back there. These are my snack packs. I've already packed up his snack pack. So I got some grapes and carrot. And then here I have kiwi and grapes. I only made those for 2 days, and that's gonna be good enough for me. The protein powder that I really don't like protein powder at all, y'all. But if I'm gonna do protein powder, most of the time it will be EAS. So I have some chocolate here. I might do a chocolate one for one day, and I also have the vanilla here that I might do for one day. I have the Herbalife cookies and cream. That's an option. So what I'm doing is just really like lowering my calorie intake for the month of January. We're only eating meat once a day. That's what we're gonna do. If I decide to eat meat at all, and which I probably will, just one meal a day, which would be dinner, will be my meal, I'm back to meal prepping. I'm really, proud of myself because, which y'all really, I do this a lot anyway. I mean, I don't, all throughout the year, I'm meal prepping. I just, fell off the bandwagon of really showing it, but I often do this. So this is what we're having this week. This week is more of like a cleansing week a little bit. So we're really going to be really, really light with the meats and the, what we eat this week. And I have plenty of water. Let me show y'all. For smoothies, my selection is this V8 low sugar sweet greens, and I also have the healthy greens. I decided to do a few of these in conjunction with making my own shakes, but I don't know, I like the taste of these. I tasted them, I like the taste, so I'm definitely going to be doing these. My husband chose, let me show y'all. Let me see. Yeah. He chose strawberry banana, of course. Y'all know how men are. So this is what he's going to be drinking. But I couldn't fuss because, child, to get him to do anything is a miracle. And then I also have plenty of water. I'm drinking a gallon of water a day. So we're going to get this show on the road, and the hubby is on board. I also want to show y'all these. These I got at the Dollar Tree, which are like salad holders. Not salad holders. Salad dressing holders. So I got these, which really will keep control over how much dressing you can actually use. This one is old, but it works perfectly. And I just decided to pick up these while I was in there, and I went on and like portioned out my smoothie stuff quantities just in case I wanted some. So what I did was put some protein smoothie and peanut butter. I know my nails need to be done, y'all, excuse my nails, but yeah, protein smoothie and peanut butter. And I also have, I've been drinking this, which is my infused water, which is really good to help flush out your kidneys and things of that sort. Only am I working on me, I'm working on the hubby too, girl. Isn't that nice? I'm surprised he's down with it, but hey, he is. So we're gonna ride this train. Anyway, I just want to show y'all the meal prep for this week, and well, for 3 days. This is 3 days worth of meals for us. 1, 2, yeah, because each one of us, this is just 1 day for each of us, and then we're gonna eat these 2 days. But yeah, I will holler back at y'all in the next video because your girl's excited about working on her. Bye, girl.